Hello and welcome to the GCSE Science Tutor. Today we're going to look at Lesson 9, Group 0, the noble gases. The noble gases are found in Group 0 of the periodic table, the final group on the right-hand side, and as the name suggests, they are all gases. Your first task is to draw the electron configuration of the first three noble gases, helium, neon and argon. Pause the video now and I will give you the answers on the next slide. Let's first look at helium. Helium has an atomic number of 2, which therefore means it has 2 electrons, and those 2 electrons go in the first shell. Neon has 10 electrons. The first 2 electrons go in the first shell, and the remaining 8 electrons in the second shell. Argon has 18 electrons, 2 in the first, 8 in the second, and 8 in the third. Now, unlike all the other groups, they do not have the same number of electrons in the outer shell. However, they do have something in common. Can you spot it? That's right, they have full outer shells. And this is really important because it influences their chemical properties. Use the internet now to answer the following questions surrounding the bubble in the middle of the page. Pause your video now and I'll give you the answers in a few moments. So, the noble gases are very unreactive because they have full outer shells. It means they do not need to gain or lose any more electrons, so they are stable as they are. And for that reason, they also don't form molecules, because their full outer shell gives them a stable electron arrangement. This makes them very useful. Helium is used in party balloons because it is less dense than air, so will float. Argon is used in light bulbs because it is unreactive and stops the filament reacting with oxygen. Here is a graph to show how boiling point changes down group 0, the noble gases. Your task is to describe the trend between the relative atomic mass and the boiling point of the noble gases. Remember, describing is just saying what the graph shows. You don't need to give any explanation or reason for your answer. Pause the video now and have a go. So when describing, your answer could look something like this. As you descend the group and the relative atomic mass increases, the boiling point increases. That is a description because I have given no reasons or explanations for my answer. The next lesson in this unit is Lesson 10, Group 1, Alkali Metals. Thank you for listening to the GCSE Science Tutor. Please remember to like and subscribe to get further updates on lessons and tutorials.